So this is a video on how to install KRAKE802's profile, really good profile. Just search it on flightsim.to for Gatwick and then you'll see KRAKE802 GSX profile for EGKK. So if you enter into the add-on, you'll see it's just been updated recently, very recently, and it is designed with the new Aero update in mind. But this is just a pure GSX profile with a GSX VDGS. He is planning on making one for Aero as well. So you just read through the instructions. There's a few links to some of my videos. And download the profile. So in order to use the GSX VDGS, you have to delete something in the Gatwick folder from my add-on. But you download the profile anyway. And you'll see a folder. Go to your GSX profile folder and delete whatever's in there for Gatwick. So I'm deleting what's in the Virtuali GSX MSFS folder. That's been removed. All you need to do is copy the profile, the KRAKE802 EGKK profile, into the GSX profile folder. But the difference with Crake's profile is there's two files to download, to copy into the GSX profile. There's a few instructions there on how to install. So the ini and the py file, the Python script file. So both files go into the GSX profile folder. And you're all set. This is a very clever profile. Very important next step though is to go into the community folder with the Gatwick add-on, go into Gatwick sim objects, landmarks, scroll all the way down and delete the Aero VDGS. This will remove all the Aero guidance units and just show the GSX VDGS. So starting up Flight Simulator, I'm going to do an Airbus A320. I'm going to start at gate 53. So I started at gate 53. Looks like the profile has loaded. I'm just having a look now. And normally when you start with a GSX profile, you have to do a few things. So you can see that the nose wheel is not lined on any stop marker, and the GSX equipment is randomly scattered. So just go into the GSX toolbar, reposition the aircraft. So in this case it's well organized with Crake's profile. It's Pier 4 and it's going to be gate 53. I found if you just walk me there as a first step, it will align you with the stop marker, but the GSX equipment is not arranged correctly. So you need to go back into the toolbar, GSX, reposition again, gate 53, and then you just click no, request follow me, and then select the services company, Donata in this case, and now all the equipment is arranged correctly as in the profile. So there may be a easier way of doing this, but this is the only way I can get all the services correct. So now the Airbus is now on the correct stop marker, and all the equipment is arranged correctly as in Craig's profile. Just testing the jetway. There are a few problems at the moment with the jetways, especially the North Terminal. I've no idea what's going on there. Hopefully in Azobo's updates in the future they'll start working again. But this particular jetway does work. So that's all good. I'm going to go back and start on the same gate with a 747. So this is a great advantage with Crake's profile. Something I do not understand how to do with the scripting. I'm far too busy doing the development of the scenery to then specialise in GSX. So as you can see, the 747 is not on a stop marker, so it's the same process again. Reposition aircraft. Pier 4, gate 53. I'm just going to try that to start with. The services. The services are correct, but the aircraft is not positioned on the stop marker correctly. So I'm going to just walk me there. That hasn't worked because I've done it in reverse. The process has been done in reverse. I should have done the way that I did with the A320. So I'm just going to jump onto an adjacent gate. .52, and just walk me there. That looks like it's positioned correctly on the stop marker, but the services maybe are not loading. So I'm going to go back now and reposition onto 53. Just walk me there. It seems to have been placed correctly on the stop marker now. So you do have to play around sometimes with GSX to get it all set up. Going to reposition aircraft 53. And click no, follow me. Select the services, and now it's correctly positioned with all the services in the correct profile. So that's a 747. I'm going on to a 787, gate 53. I'm going to go through the same process. As you can see, the nose wheel is not exactly on a stop marker. So I'm going to reposition aircraft. Gate 53. Just walk me there. Nose wheel is correct. Gonna Do step 2, same again, to get the surfaces arranged correctly. Follow me, no. Choose the surfaces, and there we go. The stop correctly on the stop marker and all the profile loaded in. So that's how to start with KRAKE802's profile. Fantastic profile.